about intelligence, the first thing is that we must understand the concept of intelligence. What is intelligence? Yesterday we have discussed about uh, the first unit referring to cognition. And I have already told you that cognition is a very elaborative umbrella term using several kinds of things. And today also we are to discuss another very umbrella term, a larger term, and which is intelligence. Defining intelligence. First, if we try to define intelligence, we'll find that there are several psychologists who have given their own definition of intelligence, and all of them are mutually inclusive. So, ସବୁ ଏକା ଭଳିଆ ଜିନିଷ କେମିତି describe କରିଛନ୍ତି? One of the important definition is intelligence is the global capacity of the individual to think rationally, act purposefully, and deal effectively with the environment. This definition points to very three important aspects of intelligence, or three important characteristics of intelligence. One, to think abstract, then to act purposefully, and then to deal effectively with the environment. Likewise, there are many psychologists who have given their own ways or own approaches to understanding intelligence. For example, let me cite some of them very important definitions. One, Francis Galton. Intelligence is the innate general cognitive capacity. Galton is one of the one pioneer name in the field of intelligence and intelligence measurement and intelligence study. And he said that intelligence is the innate general cognitive capacity. Innate general cognitive capacity means, and I tell you, whenever we are discussing anything about psychology, all human psychological concepts are such broad and wide that we cannot just bring everything into a kind of definition. Definitions are always inadequate about explaining any concept in psychology. तमें जेकोसी साइकोलॉजिकल कॉन्सेप्ट को डील करके चाहिए ताको जदि गोटे डेफिनेशन भितर इंक्लूड करिक सब जिनस कहि देबा को चाहिबो एटा सब बेले संभव नुहे सब बेले हुए तेणु यूजुअली आम जो साइकोलॉजी एनी कॉन्सेप्ट को एलाबोरेट करने चाहिए सपोज यू वांट सम डेफिनेशन वी विल हैव टू फाइंड आउट सम 3-4 डेफिनेशन एटलिस्ट 3-4 डेफिनेशन मिसई कर देखिले आम साइकोलॉजी गोटे कॉन्सेप्ट ऊपर गोटे आइडिया पाइबाटा सब संभव है सब ठीक गोटे डेफिनेशन रू आम एंटायर आइडियाटा नबाटा ठीक जेमती मु तुमको कहली इंटेलिजेंस इज द इनेट जनरल कॉग्निटिव कैपेसिटी नाउ द क्वेश्चन इज इंटेलिजेंस एंटायरली इनेट केवल कौन इनेट कैपेसिटी तादरे लर्नड कैपेसिटी नहीं तादरे एनवायरमेंटल इंड्यूस्ड कैपेसिटी नहीं तेणु naturally this is not a full-fledged definition but this has been said by one of the most important psychologists. Then, now another definition: intelligence is the ability to think abstractly. Means intelligence helps the individual to carry out logical and abstract thinking. But does it deny that an intelligent person doesn't care to think concretely? Only abstract thinking is involved in intelligence? No. Like that, Boring said, intelligence is what intelligence test measures or tests. Like that, intelligence is a particular instance of a biological adaptation, Piaget. Like that, intelligence is a person's capacity for goal-directed adaptive behavior. There are several ways people have, psychologists have pointed out about the concept of intelligence. When psychology पिलामान concept बुझाए मु basically गोटे story कहे the blind man and the elephant story कहे psychology कौन psychology concept कौन any psychological concept is not just a simple concept आमे अन्य subject रे बुझीगला भलिया concept नहीं कहीं there are wide range of variations relating to a psychological concept because it deals with human beings. Human being is such a complex system. Anything relating to human being cannot just be uh, taken taken for granted. ସେଇ ଭଳିଆ ମୁଁ କହୁଛି ମାନେ ଷ୍ଟୋରି ଅଫ୍ ଏ ବ୍ଲାଇଣ୍ଡ ମ୍ୟାନ୍ ଆଣ୍ଡ ଦ ଏଲିଫାଣ୍ଟ ତମକୁ କହିବା ପାଇଁ ଚାହୁଁଛି କ'ଣ ସେ ଷ୍ଟୋରି ସେଥିରେ তুমি ଜାଣିବ ଯେ ସାଇକୋଲୋଜିକାଲ କନସେପ୍ଟକୁ ଡିଲ୍ କଲାବେଳେ ୟୁ ଜଷ୍ଟ କ୍ୟାନଟ୍ take yourself for granted. There are many openings, many ways to explain the psychological concept. And like that, intelligence, personality, cognition, whatever we are discussing, ଯାହା ଆମେ ଡିସ୍କସ୍ କରୁଛୁ ସବୁର ଗୋଟେ ରହିଛି କ'ଣ ମାନେ ତମେ ଜାଣିଥିବ ବ୍ଲାଇଣ୍ଡ ମ୍ୟାନ୍ ଆଣ୍ଡ ଏଲିଫାଣ୍ଟ ଥରେ 6 ଜଣ ବ୍ଲାଇଣ୍ଡ ଷ୍ଟୁଡେଣ୍ଟ ତାଙ୍କ ଟିଚରକୁ କହିଲେ ଯେ ସାର୍ ଆମେ ଗୋଟେ ଏଲିଫାଣ୍ଟ କ'ଣ ଟିକେ ଜାଣିବା ପାଇଁ ଚାହୁଁଛୁ ଏକ୍ସପିରିଏନ୍ସ କରିବା ପାଇଁ ଚାହୁଁଛୁ ଦେନ୍ ଦ ଟିଚର ସେଣ୍ଟ all those 6 blind students to watch an elephant physically. ଗୋଟେ ଏଲିଫାଣ୍ଟକୁ ଯାଇ ପାଖରୁ ପହଞ୍ଚିକିରି ତାକୁ ଦେଖିବା ପାଇଁ ପଠେଇଲେ ଏବଂ ତାଙ୍କ ସାଙ୍ଗରେ ଜଣେ ସପ୍ତମ ପିଲା ବି ପଠେଇଲେ ଯେ ବି ବ୍ଲାଇଣ୍ଡ 7 ଜଣ ଯାକ ଗଲେ ଯାଇକିରି ତାପରେ ନିଜ ନିଜର ଏକ୍ସପିରିଏନ୍ସ କଲେ କିଏ ଯାଇକିରି ତାର ଲାଙ୍ଗୁଡ଼କୁ ଧରିଲା କିଏ ଯାଇକିରି ଗୋଡ଼କୁ ହାତ ମାରିଲା କିଏ ଯାଇକିରି ଶୁଣ୍ଡକୁ ହାତ ମାରିଲା କିଏ କାନକୁ ହାତ ମାରିଲା ଏମିତି ତାଙ୍କର ଏଲିଫାଣ୍ଟକୁ ଏକ୍ସପିରିଏନ୍ସ କରିକିରି ସେମାନେ ଆସିଲେ ଆସିଲା ପରେ ଯେତେବେଳେ ଟିଚର ପଚାରିଲେ ଜଣକୁ what is an elephant and he said that the elephant is like a big pillar କାହିଁକି ନା ସେ ଗୋଡ଼ଟାକୁ ଧରିକିରି ଆସିଛି ସେମିତି ଆଉ ଜଣେ ଯେ ଲାଞ୍ଜ ଧରିଛି ତାକୁ ପଚାରିଲା ବେଳକୁ ସେ ଏଲିଫାଣ୍ଟ is like a big rope like that all of them explained and then the teacher asked the 7th student ସପ୍ତମ ପିଲାକୁ ପଚାରିଲେ କ'ଣ ଏଲିଫାଣ୍ଟ ସପ୍ତମ ପିଲାକୁ ଆକ୍ଚୁଆଲି କହିଥିଲେ ଯେ ତୁ କିଛି ମାନେ ଏଲିଫାଣ୍ଟ ସହିତ ଟଚ୍ କରିବୁନି ତୁ ଏକ୍ସପିରିଏନ୍ସ ନବୁନି ତୁ ସେମିତି ଆସି ସପ୍ତମ ପିଲା ଏଇମାନଙ୍କ ଠାରୁ ଶୁଣିକିରି କହିଲା ଏଲିଫାଣ୍ଟ is a big animal having a tree like pillar like leg and a rope like tail like that. That is how psychological concepts are to be described. And about the meaning of intelligence, I told you that there are different approaches and finally arising from these approaches of different people ये ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କ ଠାରୁ ତାଙ୍କ ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କଠୁ ପାଇକିରି ତାଙ୍କର ଇନଫର୍ମେସନ୍ ବା ତାଙ୍କର ଆପ୍ରୋଚ୍ ଜାଣିକିରି ଡେଭିଡ୍ ୱେସଲର ଯେ କି ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କ ଠାରୁ ଆମେ କହିବୁ ଯେ 7th ବ୍ଲାଇଣ୍ଡ ମ୍ୟାନ୍ ଯେ ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କଠୁ ଶୁଣିକିରି କ'ଣ କହିଲେ ଇଣ୍ଟେଲିଜେନ୍ସ ଆଗରୁ ମୁଁ କହିଲି 5 ଜଣ ଏଇ କଥା କହିଲେ ଜଣେ କହିଲେ ଇଣ୍ଟେଲିଜେନ୍ସ ଇଜ ଦ ଇନେଟ୍ ଜେନେରାଲ କଗ୍ନିଟିଭ୍ କାପାସିଟି ଆଉ ଜଣେ କହିଲେ ଆବିଲିଟି ଟୁ ଥିଙ୍କ ଆବଷ୍ଟ୍ରାକ୍ଟଲି ଆଉ ଜଣେ କହିଲେ ଇଣ୍ଟେଲିଜେନ୍ସ ଇଜ ଦ is what the test measures ଆଉ ଜଣେ କହିଲେ it's a biological adaptation ଆଉ ଜଣେ କହିଲେ it's a goal oriented adaptive behavior ଏ ସବୁକୁ ମିଶେଇକିରି ଡେଭିଡ୍ ୱେସଲର ଗୋଟେ ପାଖାପାଖି ଭଲ ଡେଫିନେସନ୍ ଅଫ୍ ଇଣ୍ଟେଲିଜେନ୍ସ କହିଛନ୍ତି ଯୋଉଟା ହେଲା intelligence is the global and aggregate capacity of the individual. This is so far considered to be one of the best definition of intelligence. Intelligence is the global and aggregate capacity of the individual जो मान पाखे बही थी से देखिपारे टू थिंक rationally, to act purposefully and to deal effectively with the environment. Then it is a global capacity, it is a total capacity, it is an aggregate capacity. It is not related to only study of mathematics, it is not related to only habit of doing certain works. गोटे एरिया रे नुहे सब मिसिक टोटल कैपेसिटी ऑफ द इंडिविजुअल से ताको इट्स ए ग्लोबल कैपेसिटी तापर मु तले थ्योरी कहबी ता भीतर विल बी एलाबोरेटली नोइंग कैपेसिटी ऑफ द इंडिविजुअल टू थिंक रैशनली द फर्स्ट पर्पस ऑफ इंटेलिजेंस इज टू हेल्प द इंडिविजुअल फॉर लॉजिकल एंड रैशनल थिंकिंग आमे जदी इफ वी से दैट द ह्यूमन बीइंग इज ए रैशनल एनिमल इट इज बिकॉज़ ह्यूमन बीइंग possesses intelligence. Intelligence guides the individual to think rationally, to think logically. Then another important aspect of intelligence in this definition is to act purposefully. If someone is intelligent, he cannot be random. Every action being done by the person, done by an intelligent person, must be having some purpose. बिना purpose रे जने बुद्धिया लोक कोनोसी काम करिवो नाही. बुद्धिया लोक जदि काम किछि करूची he must have a purpose. Intelligence is directly relevant to one's purpose of activity. जहार बुद्धि कम थिबो से काम कला बेले गोटे कम कला बेलू आउ गोटे कथा तार that may not be a match between his purpose and acting, but that is what is intelligence. And then the most important thing about intelligence that the person is doing all those things, or his intelligence defines his way of dealing with his environment, effectively dealing with the environment. We are human beings. We are supposed to live in our environment effectively. And intelligence is that capacity in us which helps us to live effectively. Jadi our intelligence ठीक न रहिबो, our purpose of life, goal of life, and effectively living in the environment will be at a risk, at cost. ତେଣୁ ଏଇ ତିନିଟା major basis of human intelligence as has been proposed by David Weissler. David Weissler होउचंदी इंटेलिजेंस फील्ड जने बहुत इंपोर्टेंट लोक जाकर परवर्त समय हम जानिबा से केमती इंटेलिजेंस टेस्ट डेवलप करचंदी ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ दिस मॉडल से तांग निज टेस्ट केम डेवलप करचंदी मापी छंदी ह्यूमन इंटेलिजेंस केमती दैट इज द नेक्स्ट पार्ट टोटल इंटेलिजेंस पढिया भितर हमें मेजर तीनटा जिंस जानिया पड़िबो इंटेलिजेंस कोन एवं विभिन्न दिग इंटेलिजेंस आजि पर्यंत मध्य माने गोटे सठिक दिगरे हमें पूरा जाइछु से कथा भी कहि होबनी बहुत नुआ नुआ जिनस भी इंटेलिजेंस विषय जानिया मिलुची देखिया मिलुची आगु किंतु वर्तमान पर्यंत साइकोलॉजी रे जहां डेवलपमेंट वी हैव लार्जली क्रॉस इंपोर्टेंट आइडियाज अबाउट इंटेलिजेंस एवं दिस इज व्हाट इज डेविड वेस्लर इंटेलिजेंस तापर हमर आसिला इंटेलिजेंस विषय रे विभिन्न अंडरस्टैंडिंग विभिन्न अप्रोच बा थियोरी हम त कहि परिबा विभिन्न अप्रोच जो अच्छी इंटेलिजेंस कौन से कंट्रोवर्सी कौन ताकू विभिन्न वे रे साइकोलॉजिस्ट माने विभिन्न समय रे से विषय रे कहिछन वन ऑफ द अर्लीस्ट अप्रोच इन अंडरस्टैंडिंग इंटेलिजेंस इज कॉल्ड ए टू फैक्टर थ्योरी भी ताकू कहउछ गोटे अर्लीस्ट अप्रोच टू फैक्टर थ्योरी कौन स्पीयरमैन ताको हम को स्पीयरमैन्स टू फैक्टर थ्योरी स्पीयरमैन कौन कहिले टू फैक्टर थ्योरी हिसाब रे इंटेलिजेंस विषय व्हाट इज सेड अबाउट से कहले जे मनुष्यर इंटेलिजेंस को आमे दी प्रकार रे देखि पारिबो दी भाग रे देखि पारिबो बा दी प्रकार रे देखि पारिबो वन जनरल इंटेलिजेंस और जी फैक्टर एंड द अदर वन इज स्पेसिफिक इंटेलिजेंस और एस फैक्टर What is this concept of general intelligence and specific intelligence? प्रति मनुष्य पाखे दी प्रकार इंटेलिजेंस अच्छी तार इंटेलिजेंस टा दी भाग रे आम तो देखिपर जापर गोटे देखिपर जनरल इंटेलिजेंस बा जी फैक्टर आउ गोटे देखिपर स्पेसिफिक इंटेलिजेंस एस फैक्टर जनरल इंटेलिजेंस कौन से कहले प्रति मनुष्य पाखे गोटे बुद्धि भाग अच्छी जोटा तार समस्त कार्यकलाप वृत्तांत आवश्यक रास्ता रे ठीक रे चलवा ठारू आरंभ करी स्कूल रे भल पाठ पढ़ा ठारू आरंभ करी चाकरी रे भल निजको साब्यस्त करने पर्यंत गोटे बुद्धि अच्छी जो बुद्धि सबू काम तार लगे आवश्यकता अच्छी जनरल समस्त प्रकार कार्यकलाप समाधान से बुद्धिर आवश्यकता अच्छी प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग थारू आरंभ करी सबु जिनसे से बुद्धि लगे एंड दैट इज जनरल इंटेलिजेंस एंड इट इज द मोस्ट पावरफुल पार्ट ऑफ ह्यूमन इंटेलिजेंस या व्यतीत से कहले आउ प्रकार बुद्धि अच्छी जोटा स्पेसिफिक जनकर खेल भल होची माने तार फिजिकल इंटेलिजेंस बा बॉडी काइनेटिक इंटेलिजेंस तार भल जनकर अंक भल होची तार मैथमेटिकल इंटेलिजेंस ए भलिया अछि तेनु स्पेसिफिक इंटेलिजेंस एवं जनरल इंटेलिजेंस जेकोनसी एक्टिविटी जेकोनसी सक्सेस जेकोनसी परफॉर्मेंस इज फाइनली ए प्रोडक्ट ऑफ जनरल इंटेलिजेंस एंड पार्ट ऑफ स्पेसिफिक इंटेलिजेंस तमे या भाबिबो जनरल और स्पेसिफिक इंटेलिजेंस रो कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ने रोषे करिबा पई भल रोषे करिबा पई विभिन्न प्रकार जिनस दरकार जन को से जिनस जोगे देले से भल रांधि पार भल खाद्य तैयारी करि परिबो सुस्वादु खाद्य तैयारी पार किंतु जेते भल रांधिया पे जहा करिया पे हेले मध्य लुणर आवश्यकता सबुठी अछि बिना लुण रे कोनोसी रोषेई ठीक हे परिबो नाही सुस्वादु हे परिबो नाही तेणु रोषेई घर लुणर व्यवहार जहा आमर जनरल इंटेलिजेंस र व्यवहार सैया फॉर द सक्सेस परफॉर्मेंस एंड एक्टिविटी एवं स्पेसिफिक इंटेलिजेंस नथिले आमे स्पेशल बा एक्स्ट्रा बा यूनिक किछि करिवार संभावना कमी जाए जने तार जनरल इंटेलिजेंस सब बड़े इंपोर्टेंट ए जो दीटा फैक्टर जनरल जी फैक्टर एवं एस फैक्टर नै कि कहिए एको कहा गला टू फैक्टर थ्योरी जनरल फैक्टर स्पेसिफिक फैक्टर सेम थी आउ जने साइकोलॉजिस्ट जे से टू फैक्टर थ्योरी कहले किंतु ताकू अन्य एक बात बुझे से कहले दी प्रकार इंटेलिजेंस फ्लूइड इंटेलिजेंस crystallized intelligence am I audible to all of you any there are only 5 people today hello अन्य मानकु शुभुची ना नहीं अनीता साहू do hello
Yes, sir, I can hear you.
acha
Yes.
and is audible
Yes, sir, you're audible.
and you get the right idea about the kind of intelligence buji padde
Yes, sir, I have already gone through the unit.
acha
Yes. Sir, I'd like to interrupt you here. I have a small question.
yeah that is what I want yeah.
Sir, we were discussing about the G factor and S factor, right?
Yeah.
Yes. So, every person has got G factor and S factor.
Yes.
So, how do we understand that a person is possessing G factor more and S factor more? How can we differentiate?
Acha, differentiate means you have to go for different kinds of tests. There are
Exactly.
largely the intelligence tests, most of the intelligence tests, and they use the G factor as the source.
Okay.
Traditional intelligence test jete achi semane prayato G factor ko importance deikri measure karanti.
Yes, sir.
But when you want to measure any specific intelligence of a person, you have to choose some kind of intelligence test which is adaptable to those kind of specific intelligence. Specific intelligence में specific test अच्छी वर्तमान बहुत प्रकार intelligence test आसी गलनी but general intelligence मापिवा पे largely हमर जते माने standardized common test हमें देखू से माने mostly generalized intelligence बा G factor ही मापन
Okay, sir.
because G factor is more important.
Okay. Sorry to interrupt you, sir. Can G factor be related to basic consciousness? Because general factor is all about awareness, your awareness about surroundings, how you are.
Actually, general factor is all about your intelligence.
Exactly.
Specific factors cannot work out unless you have adequate general intelligence to support it.
Okay. So, general intelligence is all about the basic awareness.
Yeah. Yes. I have already given you the example, the salt in the kitchen. Whatever things you do have in your kitchen, if there is no salt, everything is meaningless.
Exactly. So, it is the major factor that holds on to everything.
That holds on to everything. It is the center. Whenever you see any picture of this distribution, you will find that the G factor is in the center.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. I got my doubt clear.
Yeah. Now, next is crystallized and fluid intelligence. I will be asking the next question to Chandini Beherdolai. Be ready for that, because I want that you must also participate. Chandini Beherdolai, do you listen to me? Chandini.
Hello, sir. Morning, sir.
Morning. Do you listen to me?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I can hear you, but here there is a little problem. My speaker isn't work good, and there is a little network problem, sir. So,
Okay, continue. Whatever you are getting, continue with that. Now, let me complete and we will discuss. Now, next is fluid and crystallized intelligence. Now, the another important model which suggests that the human child, when child is born, he is endowed with a kind of mental substance. Not, I don't say that it's a kind of physical substance, but it's a kind of mental substance which do not carry any specific or purposive character. ଆମେ ଏଇ କନସେପ୍ଟଟାକୁ ଆମେ ଏଇଭଳିଆ କହିପାରିବା ଯେ ଯେତେବେଳେ ଜଣେ କ'ଣ କୁମ୍ଭାର ପୋଟର ଯେତେବେଳେ ମାଟି ଆଣିକିରି ଗଦଉଛି ତାକୁ ପ୍ରିପେୟାର କରୁଛି ସେତେବେଳେ ତାର କୌଣସି ସେପ୍ ନାହିଁ. That is how the aspect of human intelligence begins. It is a kind of fluid substance. It doesn't have any specific character, but it is a powerful mental element. Fluid substance. And gradually, ଯେମିତି ପୋଟର ତାର ବିଭିନ୍ନ ରୂପ ଦେଇକିରି ବିଭିନ୍ନ ଜିନିଷ ତିଆରି କରୁଛି, gradually say fluid intelligence is converted into different forms of specialized activity. ଏ ଜାଗାରେ ଆମେ fluid intelligence କୁ general capacity ବା general intelligence ର source ବୋଲି କହିବୁ ଏବଂ ଯୋଉଗୁଡାକ crystallized ହେଲା ଯୋଉ ଫର୍ମ କୁ ଆସିଲା different forms those are usable specific aspects of intelligence ବୋଲି କହିବୁ. ତେଣୁ ଇଏ ମଧ୍ୟ two factor theory, crystallized and fluid. Originally fluid having no much of specific relevance, having only a general relevance that it is a matter of intelligence, but gradually taking shape. ପିଲା ଯେତେବେଳେ ପାଠ ପଢିବାକୁ ଆରମ୍ଭ କରୁଛି ତାର ବିଭିନ୍ନ ପ୍ରକାରର crystallized format, reasoning, problem solving skill ର crystallized format programming ତିଆରି ହେଉଛି. ଆମେ ୟାକୁ କମ୍ପ୍ୟୁଟର ସହିତ ମଧ୍ୟ କରିପାରିବୁ ଯେ the possessing a hardware system only as fluid part of the intelligence. ତାପରେ ଆସ୍ତେ ଆସ୍ତେ ସେଟା software program load ହେଇକିରି become specific part of the intelligence. This is also another two factor theory of intelligence. And then another important aspect of Thurston ଯେ ପରବର୍ତ୍ତୀ ସମୟରେ କହିଲେ ଯେ ନାଇଁ ଆମର ଯୋଉ ଇଣ୍ଟେଲିଜେନ୍ସ କଥା କୁହାହଉଛି ଦିଟା ଫ୍ୟାକ୍ଟର ସେ ଜେନେରାଲ ବା ସ୍ପେସିଫିକ ବା fluid and crystallized ସେ differ କରେ. ସେ କହିଲେ ନାଇଁ there are many aspects of intelligence which can be called as the primary mental abilities. ସାତ ପ୍ରକାରର primary mental abilities से Thurston କହିଲେ. Primary mental abilities ମାନେ each one is as good as a general factor. ଆଗରୁ ଯୋଉ କୁହାଉଥିଲା ଗୋଟେ ଜେନେରାଲ ଇଣ୍ଟେଲିଜେନ୍ସ ଆଉ ବହୁତ ସ୍ପେସିଫିକ ଇଣ୍ଟେଲିଜେନ୍ସ, ଇଏ ସେ ସ୍ପେସିଫିକ ଜେନେରାଲ ନ କହିକିରି ସେ ସବୁ ଇଣ୍ଟେଲିଜେନ୍ସ ହ୍ୟୁମାନ ଇଣ୍ଟେଲିଜେନ୍ସଟାକୁ ସାତ ପ୍ରକାରର ବେସିକ ପ୍ରାଇମେରୀ ଆବିଲିଟିଜ, ସେ ଆଉ ଜେନେରାଲ ସ୍ପେସିଫିକ କିଛି ନ କହିକିରି ସେ କହିଲେ ପ୍ରାଇମେରୀ ସୋର୍ସ, ପ୍ରାଇମେରୀ ଆବିଲିଟିଜ, ଏବଂ with the combination of those primary abilities we get special skills. 7 important programs. कौन से था? verbal comprehension गोटे, language human abilities ଭିତରେ is one of the major aspect. ମୁଁ କଥା ଶୁଣିବି, କଥା କହିବି, କଥା ବୁଝିବି, ଅନ୍ୟକୁ ମୋ କଥା ବୁଝେଇବି, ଏଇ ଯୋଉ ସ୍କିଲ୍ that I am capable of presenting myself, expressing myself with others, before others, is verbal comprehension ବୁଝିବା, ସେଟା ଗୋଟେ important aspect of a primary intelligence. ଯଦି କାହାର verbal comprehension intelligence ରେ disability ରହିଲା ବା verbal comprehension intelligence କମ ରହିଲା, then he or she will be losing a great faculty of life. That is one intelligence. Then another part of the intelligence is numerical ability, dealing with the number system. That is also another important skill. A person may be verbally proficient, highly verbally proficient, but he may not have a numerical skill. This is the skill which helps us to deal with numbers and to deal with, so to say, the mathematics, edu ability. And then another third intelligence he called it spatial relationship. Spatial relationship means it is a specific kinds of skills that is related to understanding the spatial events. गोटे चित्र जे जे आर्टिस्ट से जेतेबेले गोटे आर्ट करूची से जानी पारुची जे गोटे 2 डायमेंशनल आर्ट रे को जगह रे केते सेट देले एटा 3 डायमेंशनल विजन हम तेनु जो डायमेंशन तमे all of you know that our basic biological system is 2 dimensional. ମୁଁ ଏଇ ଜାଗାରେ ତମକୁ ସେଇ ଜିନିଷଟା କହିଲା ପରେ ସ୍ପାସିଆଲ ଇଣ୍ଟେଲିଜେନ୍ସ ଟା ବୁଝିବ ଠିକ ରେ 2 डायमेंशनल ମାନେ ମୁଁ ଯଦି ଗୋଟେ ଡେଙ୍ଗା ଲୋକକୁ ପାଖରେ ଦେଖୁଛି ତାର ରେଟିନାରେ ଯାଇକିରି ମୋ ରେଟିନାରେ ତାର ଛାଇ ପଡୁଛି বা he had a figure on retina ସେ ଲୋକ ଦୂରକୁ ପଳେଇ ଗଲେ ମଧ୍ୟ ସେଇ ଜାଗାରେ ମୋର ତା ରେଟିନାରେ ଯାଇ ଛାଇ ପଡୁଛି बा आउट एग्जांपल में कहया पे चाहूची केमिति हमर 2 डायमेंशनल विजन हमर आमे जो माने पिक्चर देखुछु माने कर कारण आखिरे जो पिक्चर देखुछु तार थर्ड डायमेंशन नाही आमे केवल गोटे फोटो भलिया तको आमे आखिरे पडिबार देखुछु किंतु जेतेबेले आमे तको रियलाइज करूछु आमे जानि पारुछु से लोक पतला ना मोटा केते मोटा तार हाइट केते तार वेट केते तार ब्रेथ केते गोटे टेबुल टे देखले हमर गोटे टेबुल रो चित्र भलिया हम आखिरे पडुछ किंतु आमे जानि परछु जे एटा 3 डायमेंशन यार गोटे हाइट अछि गोटे वेट अछि गोटे केमि जानछु दैट इज व्हाट इज इंटरप्रिटेशन एंड दैट इज व्हाट इज कॉल्ड स्पेशियल इंटरप्रिटेशन आमे मन हम तको इंटरप्रेट करूची जे नहीं एटा तीन थाकिया जिनिस दी थाकिया नहीं तमे जदी परसेप्शन ने तले पढिबो आमे माने 2 डायमेंशनल 3 परसेप्शन ऑफ थर्ड डायमेंशन बा डेप्थ एंड डिस्टेंस परसेप्शन केमिति हुए सेटा जानले जानिबो जे हमर केते बडो लिमिटेशन गोटे फिजियोलॉजिकली अछि हम ब्रेन ताको मेकअप करूछि दैट इज व्हाट इज स्पेशल रिलेशंस स्पेस सहित रिलेशंस परसेप्चुअल स्पीड इंटेलिजेंस रा आउ गोटे दिगो ये सातटा प्राइमरी दिगो बा प्राइमरी इंटेलिजेंस मेंटल एबिलिटी रो कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स कहिसंती फर्स्ट आउ गोटे हला परसेप्चुअल स्पीड प्रोसेसिंग जे जेते अधिक बुद्धिमान हबो तार स्पीड ऑफ एक्टिविटीज सेते बेटर हबो सेते अधिक हबो से सिखते शीघ्र इंफॉर्मेशन को एनालाइज करिवो एवं तार आउटपुट सिस्टम क्रिएट करिवो स्पीड ऑफ द परसेप्शन जदि तमरो इंटेलिजेंस कम रहइबो एगुडा कहिबार अर्थ हला परवर्ती समय रे बहुत टेस्ट इंटेलिजेंस टेस्ट याकु नै करी तयारी हिच तमर परसेप्चुअल स्पीड ऊपर के कोन अछि ताको नै करी कह जाय परिबो जे तमर इंटेलिजेंस से कोन एई एस्पेक्ट केते डेवलप स्पीड ऑफ परसेप्शन कोन कह जिवो केमिति ना तुमको गोटे चार्ट दिया हिजिवो जो थरे कि विभिन्न प्रकार रो संख्या लिखा हिजिवो तुमको हाबो इठी जोठी 3 अछि ताको गार मार एवं देखाबो जे किए केते स्पीड रे से 3 उडा खोजि करी पाउचे एवं तुम मार ता भीतर 3 ठो 100 पर्यंत सब संख्या अछि 1 टू 100 पर्यंत तुम कहतो खाली 3 जोठी अछि गार मार तब काटि दियो तमे केते स्पीडली जाउ काटि परछो दैट बिकम्स एन इंडिकेशन ऑफ योर परसेप्चुअल स्पीड देन वर्ड फ्लुएंसी use of what use of appropriate word use of appropriate combination of word use of right words in a right situation is also another important aspect of intelligence as has been envisaged by Thurston. In fact, Thurston has meaningfully pointed out the application aspect of human intelligence. तांकर जो concept उडा से बाहर करले कहले those are all गोटे statistical process रे से बाहर करछन्ती जोटा कह जाय फैक्टर एनालिसिस सेही प्रोसेस रे से बाहर करछन्ती एवं वर्ड फ्लुएंसी देन memory is also another important aspects of hello Is it audible?
Yes, sir, you're audible.
Now, memory and inductive reasoning, these are some of the all 7 important thing about Thurston's intelligence. And that is another theory of intelligence. Arthur Jensen uh, says that there are 2 types: level 1 ability or level 1 intelligence and level 2 intelligence. Level 1 intelligence is those aspects of intelligence which are uh, which includes the short-term memory, the rote learning, the attention, and associative learning. And level 2 is called the cognitive learning, which consists of the abstract thinking, symbolic thought, conceptual learning, and use of language in problem solving. Say dita level coil intelligence. Gote level hala level 1, that is general maintainable life intelligence. ଜୀବନର ବଞ୍ଚାଇ ରଖିବା ପାଇଁ ଯୋଉ ମିନିମମ୍ ବୁଦ୍ଧିର ଆବଶ୍ୟକତା, those are called the level 1 intelligence. And another higher level, higher structure of that intelligence, जोटा कि cognitive intelligence ବୋଲି କହିଲେ, those are level 2 intelligence. ତେଣୁ ଏଇଭଳିଆ ତାପରେ ଆସିଲେ ଜେପି ଗିଲଫୋର୍ଡ. ମୁଁ ବିଭିନ୍ନ ମଡେଲ ଅଫ ଇଣ୍ଟେଲିଜେନ୍ସ ଏକ୍ସପ୍ଲେନ କରୁଛି, କିଏ କ'ଣ କହିଛନ୍ତି ଏବଂ ଫାଇନାଲି ମୁଁ କହୁଛି ଯେ ଆମେ ଯଦି ମାନେ ଆମର ଏମିତି କିଛି ନାହିଁ ଯେ ଏଇଟା ଭୁଲ ସେଇଟା ଠିକ. These are all different aspects to show the concept of intelligence. ମୁଁ ଯୋଉଟା ପ୍ରଥମତ ମୁଁ କହିଛି ଯେ ମାନେ ଅନ୍ଧ ପିଲା ହାତୀ ଦେଖିବା କଥା, ଯିଏ ଯୋଉ ଜିନିଷ ଆମକୁ ଦେଖେଇଲା, ଫାଇନାଲି ୱିଲ୍ ହାଭ୍ ଟୁ ଅର୍ଗାନାଇଜ ଦେମ୍ ଇନଟୁ ଏ ସିଷ୍ଟମ. ଯେମିତି 5 ଜଣଙ୍କର କଥାରୁ ନେଇକରି ଡେଫିନେସନ ଦେଲେ ୱେସେଲର, ସେମିତି. Now another important aspects of theory of intelligence is proposed by Guilford, J.P. Guilford, and his theory is called structure of intellect model. Bartman say कहले intelligence is not 1, not 7, not 2, not 5. He said that intelligence is at least as many as 180 types. 180 ପ୍ରକାରର. Human intelligence has so many different criteria and qualities that we can understand about 180 types of basic human intelligence. ଏବଂ ତାଙ୍କର ଏହି ମଡେଲଟାକୁ କୁହାହେଲା ଷ୍ଟ୍ରକ୍ଚର ଅଫ ଇଣ୍ଟେଲେକ୍ଟ ମଡେଲ. ଏବଂ ସେ କେମିତି ଏଇଟାକୁ କହିଲେ, he proposed a cube model. ଏଇଟାକୁ cube model ବି କୁହାଯାଏ. କାହିଁକି ନା ସେ କହିଲେ ଯେ ଗୋଟେ ଇଣ୍ଟେଲିଜେନ୍ସ କୁ, any human intelligence can be estimated by 3 parameters. 3ଟା ଜିନିଷ ଦ୍ୱାରା human intelligence ଟାକୁ କ୍ୟାପଚର କରାଯାଇ ପାରିବ. ଗୋଟେ ପ୍ରଡକ୍ଟ, ଗୋଟେ ହେଲା ଅପରେସନ, ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ହେଲା କଣ୍ଟେଣ୍ଟ. ମଣିଷର ଯୋଉ ବୁଦ୍ଧି, ତାର ସୋର୍ସ 3ଟା. and as per Guilford's model 3 ପ୍ରକାରର ମୂଳ ଧାତୁ, ମୂଳ ଭିତ୍ତିରୁ ମଣିଷର ଇଣ୍ଟେଲିଜେନ୍ସର ସୃଷ୍ଟି ହେଉଛି. କ'ଣ କ'ଣ 3ଟାକ ଜିନିଷ? ଗୋଟେ ହେଲା କଣ୍ଟେଣ୍ଟ, ଗୋଟେ ହେଲା ଅପରେସନ, ଗୋଟେ ହେଲା ପ୍ରଡକ୍ଟ. ନାଉ କଣ୍ଟେଣ୍ଟ କ'ଣ? ନ୍ୟାଚୁରାଲି କଣ୍ଟେଣ୍ଟ ହେଲା, ସେ କହିଲେ ଆମେ ବିଭିନ୍ନ ଆମର ଯୋଉ ସେନ୍ସୋରି ଅର୍ଗାନ୍ସ ଅଛି, ସେନ୍ସ ଇନଫର୍ମେସନ ମାଧ୍ୟମରେ ଆମେ ଜିନିଷ ଗ୍ରହଣ କରୁ ଏବଂ ସେଇଗୁଡାକ ଆମର ଇଣ୍ଟେଲିଜେନ୍ସର ସୃଷ୍ଟି କରିବାର ମୂଳ ଆଧାର. ପିଲା ଜନ୍ମ ହେଲା ପରେ ତାର ଯୋଉ ସେ ଗ୍ରହଣ କରୁଛି ଯୋଉ ଇନଫର୍ମେସନ, ସେଇ ଇନଫର୍ମେସନ ଗୁଡାକ ହେଲା ତାର କଣ୍ଟେଣ୍ଟ. କ'ଣ କ'ଣ ଇନଫର୍ମେସନ ସୋର୍ସ? କଣ୍ଟେଣ୍ଟ ତା ମାନେ କ'ଣ? ଭିଜୁଆଲ, ଅଡିଟୋରୀ, ସିମ୍ବଲିକ, semantic, behavior. ପାଞ୍ଚ ପ୍ରକାରର କଣ୍ଟେଣ୍ଟ ତା ପାଖକୁ ଆସୁଛି। ଭିଜୁଆଲ କଣ୍ଟେଣ୍ଟ ଆସୁଛି, ଅଡିଟୋରୀ କଣ୍ଟେଣ୍ଟ ଆସୁଛି, କିଛି କଣ୍ଟେଣ୍ଟ ଆସୁଛି ଯୋଉଗୁଡାକ ସିମ୍ବଲିକ ତାର ମାନେ abstract level operational, କିଛି କଣ୍ଟେଣ୍ଟ ଆସୁଛି ଯୋଉଟାକ semantic ବା meaning level related, କିଛି concept ଆସୁଛି ଯୋଉଟା କି behavior level related। କଣ ଗୋଟେ ଦେଖିଲା, ଜଣଙ୍କର ବ୍ୟବହାର ସେ ଦେଖିଲା, ସେ ବ୍ୟବହାରଟା ତାକୁ ଖରାପ ଲାଗିଲା, ଜଣେ ତାକୁ ଗାଳି କଲା, ତାକୁ ଖରାପ ଲାଗିଲା, that is a behavioral content। ଗୋଟେ କବିତା ପଢିଲା, ସେ ଖୁସି ହେଲା, that is a semantic content। Likewise, ସବୁ content ଯେତେବେଳେ ତା ପାଖକୁ ଆସୁଛି, those are source ଗୋଟେ ମାନେ particularly ଏଇ ଯୋଉ Guilford structural model, ଏ ଗୋଟେ developmental model, ଏବଂ ସେ କହୁଛି ଯେ ଆମର ଏଇ ଯୋଉ ତିନିଟା source ରୁ ଆସୁଛି, those are
Excuse
all
me, sir.
young।
Sir, can you hear me?
Yes, I'm agree।
Sir, I'm sorry to interrupt you. I've got a small question here.
Yes।
Sir, we have got there are so many psychologists who have given their own point of views regarding the intelligence. Let's say I want to measure the intelligence of a person. Taking whose base, I mean, taking whose intelligence base, I will be measuring the intelligence of that particular person.
Achha, that is a very important question, important issue। And now I'm to tell you that till 1990s, 1990 ମସିହା ପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ
Okay.
intelligence ର concept ଆଉ measurement ଯାହା ଥିଲା, largely the ability to perform in the academics। ବୁଦ୍ଧିଆ କିଏ ନା ଯେ ଭଲ ପାଠ ପଢୁଥିଲା।
Okay.
ତେଣୁ ମେଜରମେଣ୍ଟ କନସେପ୍ଟ ତମେ ଯଦି ସେଇ ପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ ଦେଖିବା 90 ମସିହା ପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ, ଲାର୍ଜ ଏମ୍ଫାସିସ୍ ୱାଜ୍ ଅନ୍ ଦି କାଇଣ୍ଡ ଅଫ୍ ଏକାଡେମିକ ଇଣ୍ଟେଲିଜେନ୍ସ। ଗୋଟେ ମଣିଷର ଗୋଟେ ଭାଗ, ଏବଂ ସେ ପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ ଆମେ ଭାବୁଥିଲୁ ଯେ ଏଇ ଇଣ୍ଟେଲିଜେନ୍ସଟା ହିଁ ଇଣ୍ଟେଲିଜେନ୍ସ, ଆଉ କିଛି ନାହିଁ।
Okay.
ଏବଂ ତାର ସେଇ ପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ ସମ୍ଭାବନା ଥିଲା, କିନ୍ତୁ ପରବର୍ତ୍ତୀ ସମୟରେ ଦେଖାଗଲା ଯେ ସେଇ ଯୋଉ ଇଣ୍ଟେଲେକ୍ଚୁଆଲ ଇଣ୍ଟେଲିଜେନ୍ସ ବା କଗ୍ନିଟିଭ ଇଣ୍ଟେଲିଜେନ୍ସ, ଯୋଉଟାକୁ ଆମେ ଇଣ୍ଟେଲିଜେନ୍ସ ବୋଲି ଏତେ ଅଧିକ ପ୍ରାଧାନ୍ୟ ଦେଇକରି ମଣିଷ ସମାଜ ପାଇଁ ବହୁତ ପ୍ରକାରର କଥା କହୁଥିଲୁ ଯେ ବୁଦ୍ଧିଆ ଲୋକ ସେ, ପରବର୍ତ୍ତୀ ସମୟରେ ଦେଖାଗଲା ସେ ଇଣ୍ଟେଲିଜେନ୍ସ ଆମ ଜୀବନରେ ଇଭିନ୍ ନଟ୍ ହାଫ୍ ଡନ୍, କ୍ୱାର୍ଟର ଡନ୍। ମାନେ ସେଇ ଇଣ୍ଟେଲିଜେନ୍ସରେ ଆମର ଜୀବନରେ ସକ୍ସେସଫୁଲ ହବାର ସମ୍ଭାବନା 25 ରୁ 50 ଭାଗ, ଆଉ ଅଧିକା ନୁହେଁ।
Exactly, sir. That is only a part of the life. That's it.
Very small part of the life। ଯେ ଜୀବନ ଜିଇଛି ସେ ଜାଣିଛି ଯେ ସେଇ ଇଣ୍ଟେଲିଜେନ୍ସର କାମ କେତେ। ତେଣୁ ସେଇ ସମୟରେ ଡାନିଏଲ ଗୋଲମ୍ୟାନ ବୋଲି ଜଣେ ମନୋବିଜ୍ଞାନୀ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ନୂଆ ଇଣ୍ଟେଲିଜେନ୍ସକୁ ବାହାର କଲେ।
Okay.
And he called it emotional intelligence।
Yes.
And that intelligence ବହୁତ ଦିନ ଧରିକିରି ଆମକୁ ବତେଇଲା ଯେ ମଣିଷ ଜୀବନ କଣ, ଇଣ୍ଟେଲିଜେନ୍ସ କଣ ପ୍ରକୃତରେ। ଆମେ ଆଜି ଯାଏଁ କେମିତି ଭୁଲ ବାଟରେ ଇଣ୍ଟେଲିଜେନ୍ସ ମାପୁଥିଲୁ। ଏଇ ଯୋଉ ସେଇଥିପାଇଁ ମୁଁ କହୁଛି ଆମର କଣ ଇଣ୍ଟେଲିଜେନ୍ସ ମାପିବୁ, କୋଉ ମଡେଲରେ ମାପିବୁ, ସେ ମଡେଲଟା ଆମର ଆବଶ୍ୟକତା ଉପରେ ଡିପେଣ୍ଡ କରେ। ମୁଁ ଯଦି ଚାହିଁବି ଯେ ଏମାନଙ୍କର ଫ୍ୟାମିଲି ଲାଇଫ ଭଲ ହଉ, ତାହେଲେ ମୁଁ ଆଉ ତାଙ୍କର ଏକାଡେମିକ ଇଣ୍ଟେଲିଜେନ୍ସ ମାପିକିରି ତା ଭିତରେ କଣ ଦେଖିବି, ସେ କଥା କିଛି ଆବଶ୍ୟକ ନାହିଁ। I have to measure the emotional part of their intelligence। That is another intelligence। ବୁଝିପାରୁଛ ନା ନାହିଁ?
Exactly, sir. So, as per the user needs, you will be measuring.
ହଁ, ଆଜ ପର ତ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନର ଅବସ୍ଥା ସେଇଆ।
Okay.
ଆମେ ଇଣ୍ଟେଲିଜେନ୍ସ କୋଉ ମଡେଲରେ ଯିବୁ ସେଇଟା ହଉଛି ଡିପେଣ୍ଡିଂ ଅନ୍ ଆୱାର ନେସେସିଟି। ଇଟ୍ସ ଏ ଡାଇଭର୍ସ। ଆଉ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ନେଇକିରି ପୁଣି ଆମେ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ଇମ୍ପୋର୍ଟାଣ୍ଟ ଆସ୍ପେକ୍ଟ ଅଫ ଇଣ୍ଟେଲିଜେନ୍ସକୁ ପହଞ୍ଚି ଗଲୁଣୁ, ଯୋଉଟା କୁହାଯାଉଛି ସ୍ପିରିଚୁଆଲ ଇଣ୍ଟେଲିଜେନ୍ସ।
Yes.
And spiritual intelligence is not ମାନେ common concept ଯୋଉଟା ସେଟା not religion, not religious intelligence, not Baba।
Yes, sir. I understand.
It is ମାନେ spiritual intelligence by definition a person who is capable to foresee the consequences of his present action in future terms। ତମେ ଆଜି ଯାହା କରୁଛ 5 ବର୍ଷ ପରେ ତାର କଣ ଫଳ ଘଟିବ ସେ କଥା ଆଜି ତମେ ଜାଣିପାରୁଛ। You have a spiritual intelligence।
Yes.
Do you get my point? ତେଣୁ
Yes, sir.
ମେଜରମେଣ୍ଟ ଆମେ ତ ମେଜରମେଣ୍ଟ ଆସ୍ପେକ୍ଟ କୁ ଯିବା ଫର୍ମାଲ ମେଜରମେଣ୍ଟ କଣ ସବୁ ଅଛି କେମିତି ଅଛି ଟେଷ୍ଟ ଅଛି ତାର କାରଣ କଣ ଇଏ କଣ ମାନେ ଯିବା କିନ୍ତୁ ବେସିକାଲି ଆମେ କୋଉ ମଡେଲ ୟୁଜ କରିବୁ ମଣିଷକୁ ମାପିବା ପ୍ରଥମ ଜିନିଷ ହେଲା ମଣିଷକୁ ମାପିବା ଏତେ ସହଜ ସାଧ୍ୟ ଜିନିଷ ନୁହେଁ ବୋଲି ଆମକୁ ପ୍ରଥମେ ଆଗ ଧରିନେବାକୁ ପଡିବ
Yes, sir.
ଯୋଉ ଜିନିଷ ମାପୁ ତାର ବୁଦ୍ଧିଠୁ ଆରମ୍ଭ କରି ତାର ପର୍ସନାଲି ଯାହା ବି ବହୁତ କଥା ସାଇକୋଲୋଜିରେ ଆମେ ମାପୁଛୁ measurement has become a very important aspect important field of psychology କିନ୍ତୁ ତଥାପି ମଧ୍ୟ ଆମ ପାଇଁ ମଣିଷକୁ ଜାଣିବା ବହୁତ ଦୂର ଅଛି ସେଇଥିପାଇଁ ମେଜରମେଣ୍ଟ ଇସ୍ୟୁ ମୁଁ ଯଦି ପଢେଇଲି ମୁଁ କହିବି କିନ୍ତୁ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ମୁଁ ଏହା କହୁଛି ଯେ ଆମେ ଇଣ୍ଟେଲିଜେନ୍ସ କୋଉଟାକୁ ବିଶ୍ୱାସ କରିବୁ ଦ୍ୟାଟ୍ ଇଜ ନଟ୍ ଏ ରିଲେଭେଣ୍ଟ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚିନ୍ ଏଇଥିପାଇଁ ଯେ ଆମର ଯୋଉଟା ଆବଶ୍ୟକ ଆମେ କରିବୁ
Okay, sir.
ଆମେ ଆଗ ବୁଝି ଯାଉ କନସେପ୍ଟଟା କଣ
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
now it is ତାପରେ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ଆସିଲା ଅପରେସନ ହେଲା ଇଭାଲୁଏସନ କନଭର୍ଜେଣ୍ଟ ପ୍ରଡକ୍ସନ ଡାଇଭର୍ଜେଣ୍ଟ ପ୍ରଡକ୍ସନ ମେମୋରି ଆଣ୍ଡ କଗ୍ନିସନ ଏବଂ ତାପରେ ଆସିଲା ପ୍ରଡକ୍ଟ ୟୁନିଟ କ୍ଲାसेस ରିଲେସନ୍ସ ସିଷ୍ଟମ୍ସ ଟ୍ରାନ୍ସଫର୍ମେସନ୍ସ ଆଣ୍ଡ ଇମ୍ପ୍ଲିକେସନ୍ସ ଏତେ ଜିନିଷ ତମକୁ କହିବାର ଅର୍ଥ ହେଲା ଇଏ ସବୁ କମ୍ବିନେସନ 5 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 5 6 पंचा 30 पंचा 150 150 यूनिट से माने गोटे क्यूब मॉडल ले कहछन्ति एवं को यूनिट को प्रोडक्ट को कंटेंट मिसले कोन इंटेलिजेंस एवं तार फंक्शन कोन हबो दैट इज व्हाट हैज बीन सेड दिस इज वन ऑफ द वेरी important model and then come Gardner's theory of multiple intelligence जोटा कि आस्ते 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 तार थियोरेटिकल मॉडल रु इंटेलिजेंस थियोरी इज ग्रेजुअली मूविंग टू द एप्लीकेशन मॉडल प्रथमे थियोरेटिकल मॉडल रु आरंभ होई आस्ते आस्ते अप्लाइड एस्पेक्ट को जाउछ कारण से थियोरेटिकल मॉडल समाधान करि पारलानी सब मोर अप्लाइड मॉडल सब क्रिएट नाउ हावर्ड गार्डनर 1983 से कहले सेमती 8 प्रकार इंटेलिजेंस बेसिक इंटेलिजेंस से बाहर तक से कहले थ्योरी ऑफ मल्टीपल इंटेलिजेंस थियोरेटिकल तो जाने पड़िबो गार्डनर्स थ्योरी वाला लिंग्विस्टिक इंटेलिजेंस 8 प्रकार आमे आगुरु थर्स्टन न पढिचु 7 प्रकार प्राइमरी मेंटल एबिलिटीज ये तको माने इन ए डिफरेंट वे ही ऑर्गेनाइज्ड इट इनटू ए डिफरेंट वे अच्छा वन थिंग आई मस्ट बी श्योर is there anybody who is not able to understand Odia language because sometimes I'm making it bilingual anybody among you not able to understand Odia language Subhadra Pothal respond to me
Yes, sir.
do you understand Odia language
Yes, sir.
where are you from
I'm from Odisha, Bhadrak.
you are from Bhadrak acha anybody now because I am using bilingual Odia and English simultaneously if anybody there who is not able to understand Odia kindly inform me so that I'll be only in English
Sir, I don't understand.
you means
Anita Sahu.
oh
I can understand, but if you use deeper meanings, I will not be able to understand. Basic, I can understand.
basic side but where are you from
I'm from. My native is Orissa, sir, but I was born and brought up in Hyderabad.
acha then okay I'll be using Odia language whenever it's only necessary and not always
All right, sir. Thank you.
no I'm trying to use Odia in order to convey the messages in a more to make it more clear but anyway this is my responsibility to see that I speak in English only
Yes.
now Howard Gardner linguistic intelligence. I have already told you that there are 7 mental abilities being proposed by Thurston, and Gardner made it more explicit and meaningful, more contextual, and more practical. And he called them as supposing linguistic intelligence And he called those people as language smart. You will be seeing some people who are very fluid in their language, very lucid in their language, very powerful in their language. And those kind of people can be called as language smart. And according to this model, they have a higher level of linguistic intelligence. And linguistic intelligence is one of the most practical intelligence, useful, productive, essential, and is most viable requirement for anybody. If someone, we have a kind of proverb, जे ओडिया न बुझी परिबो से जानि परिबोनी जे कथा कहि जानला से पच्चा चुंगुड़ी बिकिला. Anyone who speaks nice can sell raw fishes. That is the kind of thing. Then this is one of the most important intelligence that anybody should possess. There are a lot of things you can read about that. I am just making some kind of summary about this chapter. Then logical mathematical intelligence, another important aspect of intelligence. Mathematical intelligence. Mathematical intelligence means not only that you have a good ability to carry on mathematics or to have a good score in mathematics, but be able to apply those kind of knowledges into your life skills. If you have a good mathematical ability, you can also be you can also develop some kind of linguistic skills, how to write something in precision, how to express something in precision. That is logical mathematical intelligence. That is a kind of special skill. And then same thing, spatial intelligence, I have already told you. And then musical intelligence, another important dimension he has added, that music is also another dimension of intelligence. If someone is having good musical intelligence, he will be able to become a good musician. Similarly, there are body kinetic intelligence, and a body kinetic intelligence means to become sportsman, to become player. Sachin Tendulkar must have a very, very high level of body kinetic intelligence. And then interpersonal intelligence. Can anybody tell me who should be supposed to have higher level of interpersonal intelligence as professionals? Jemti mu kahili Sachin Tendulkar, body kinetic intelligence. Jemti mu kahili Lata Mangeshkar, musical intelligence. Same thing, spatial intelligence, artist, any big artist, special intelligence. Interpersonal intelligence, who are the professionals who could be supposed to have good interpersonal intelligence? Largely politicians. Unless you have a strong interpersonal intelligence, you cannot become a good. These skill very important. One is verbal intelligence, linguistic intelligence, and the other is interpersonal intelligence. Anyway, and intrapersonal, there are two types of intelligence he found. One is intrapersonal intelligence and the other is interpersonal intelligence. What is intrapersonal? Intrapersonal intelligence refers to the capability of a person, the skill of a person, the ability of a person to know about himself. The most intelligent person is he who can understand himself the best. If you understand yourself the best, there is nothing else to understand for you. That is the most important thing or most important intelligence one has to have. The intelligence with Lord Buddha, with Ramakrishna Paramahansa, whatever, who has shown how intrapersonal intelligence is more important. And then naturalistic intelligence. People, those who love nature, believe nature, those kind of things. Naturalistic intelligence. And with these kind of things, the traditional model of explaining intelligence is almost exhausted. Two-factor theory, group factor theory, multi-factor theory, like that. And then can a new approach, which is called the process approach. We understand intelligence as the product. Whatever 8 types we say, these are all product. Naturalistic intelligence is a product. Interpersonal intelligence is a product. Musical intelligence is a product. You have that intelligence to produce certain kinds of things. You have become a sportsman because of your body kinetic intelligence. You're a good sportsman. That are referring to the kind of products. But intelligence also is being carried out by some processes. You have some process orientation. And those approaches to understanding intelligence are called information processing approach to intelligence. Any question? Anybody? Do you have any question? Subhadra Pothal, do you have question? Because I want to take 5 minutes some rest like that. Anybody, any question having? Hello. Subhadra Pothal. Don't you get me? Anita Sahu.
Yes, sir. It's clear as of now.
It's clear as of now.
Yeah.
And intelligence, I am telling you the kind of thing. And I think it's time that I should introduce also myself to all of you. I am Dr. Horace Misra, retired professor for the last 10 years. And at present, hello, I'm a retired professor in psychology retired from the last 10 years, And at present, I'm working as a visiting professor in the Ravenshaw University. That is my present assignment as a visiting professor in the Ravenshaw University. Now, let me, hello, anything else?
Sir, now it is over, I think so. Huh? I also enjoyed your lecture.
Thank you. And for today it's over.
Yeah. Thank you for a very nice lecture, and thank you to all learners. So probably we will meet in day after tomorrow. So sir will again provide lecture on the I think day after tomorrow from 10 to 12. So I will send the message to all of you and link all of you, and please share the message in IGNOU learners in MS Psychology.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
After tomorrow,
Please share
10 to 12. Thank you.
So 10 to 12
Thank you.
day after tomorrow. Thank you all.
Yeah. Thank you, sir.
Stop.